Hello friends, this is video number 20. Okay, so what all things you are getting, this the MRP is 3030 and I am giving for just 1000 rupees free shipping, and this is box number 20. So get ready what all things you are getting. You are getting this stencil, the stencil is 4x4, and this is a reverse one stencils. The MRPs are 120 for each. So you are getting these stencils. There are total, I think so, just give me 1 minute. There are total 32 items in one box. So the MRP is 3030, 3030 rupees, and I am giving for 1000 rupees free shipping. So once again I am going to start what all things you are getting. These stencils you are getting in this box. These are 4x8 stencils. The MRP is inki 175. You can see the stencils. These are some 1 2 3 4 resin coasters, MDF fridge magnets. You can use, these are the 3D ones. You are getting these two handles for your resin ट्रेस बनाओ या कुछ भी डेकोरेशन के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं आप. These are some stencils you are getting. You can see the qualities are very good, and it's a very good offer. You are getting all the stuff in 1000 rupees. And these are some strings. These all are 1 meter each, and I am giving this for free, this white one, or whatever you want to say. कोई भी आप free देख सकते हो इनमें से, but from these two I am giving this one for free. These are some sentiment tiles. These are approx 50 pieces mixed, and one this sponge, and all the stuff. This is for 1000 rupees free shipping.